SNX right now is absolutely exploding, up around 11% on the day so far, looking really good. I'm going to be going into some price predictions, some TA analysis for this asset. How high could we go? What market caps targets could we be looking at? How much money could we make from investing in this and holding it, guys? Okay, so looking at this asset so far, it's priced at around $4.53, looking like we're breaking highs on the microstructure, looking really bullish. Considering the state of crypto right now, if we're looking at all these altcoins, it's looking really bad. Bitcoin down around 3%. Look at all these other altcoins looking really bearish right now. So the one that is performing pretty strongly and has been over the last few weeks is SNX, and that's why I'm doing this video today, guys. My name is cryptochesterg, and let's get deep down and dirty into this analysis. As you can see, $4.5 is the current price for SNX. In terms of levels of resistance to be looking out for there, we are currently testing a very strong area. You can see from previous bear market scenarios, lower highs coming through. This point of resistance on the 200 EMA as well has caused us a lot of hassle, okay? In terms of the price of what we're referencing right now, we're pretty much sat directly on that, okay? Considering that we did get a candle body close below that zone, this unfortunately does usually mean we test to the upside and then come down, okay? So please be aware, guys, that we want to see a daily candle body close above this level of support to actually have continuation, okay? In terms of higher lows, in terms of market structure, in terms of how high we could be looking to go in this uptrend right now, let's go into it. In terms of higher lows right now, this is the previous confirmed higher low at $3.64, guys. This would be the area I would be looking for support. If we were to come down here and we were to test a higher low, this is the area I would expect to bounce here. Ideally, what I would like is support to be formed where we are currently, a move to the upside, coming down, and then test the support again, setting that higher low, and then mooning to the upside, okay? And basically keeping this very strong momentum that we are seeing with SNX right now. It's looking very bullish, looking really good. In terms of buying areas for SNX, what I would be saying is $3.64 is looking really strong, okay? In terms of moving averages, guys, we've got them coming up really nicely, actually. You can see the further apart these moving averages go, the stronger the trend tends to be, okay? So you can see they're getting ever so far apart, really strong stuff here, and you can see the support, near enough the support, and we haven't actually tested these in a while, so this is basically meaning that we're likely to come down, test a level of support, and then see another leg up, okay? So I can't see us actually exploding from this point here, but what I would say is there's going to be a level of support to come down when we test. In terms of the move to the downside, probably worth around 10, maybe 15% or so when we do come down, and whether this is going to be throughout the week. I mean, I don't think we're just going to be bullish for the whole of this week. I think we're going to actually come back and retrace a little bit here, and we're going to have to. Bouncing off these moving averages is very key. So I got the 21, the price action channel, and also the 55 EMA as well there, guys. So very strong points. Let's look at Fibonacci for a second here on the macro, and let's see if we can get any sort of correlation here. I haven't done this. I'm doing this live right now. So we're going to go all-time highs down to the low here, the swing low of the bear market for this asset. And do we have any correlation? No correlation as of yet, guys. But you can see the next Fibonacci retracement is all the way up at 0.236, and that would be a price target of around $7.94. So let's have a little look to see how high this asset could go in the next coming months or so, okay? So up to the Fibonacci, that's going to be the area. In terms of price predictions, let's get deep down into that. But before we do that, guys, if you want to learn a new trading strategy, make sure you join my live trading webinar. The link is in the description. It's absolutely free. You will learn a new trading strategy that makes me literally thousands of dollars every single week, right? A lot of money is made from this trading strategy, so make sure that you join the webinar, as I'll be teaching that free to you live on stream. Amazing stuff. Links in the description. Now, back to a price analysis for this asset. Looking at around a 74% move to the upside, so nearly a 2x there for this asset. To get to the Fibonacci retracement, and as you can see, we have got heavy resistance from this zone previously, okay? So that's an inclination, that's a sign that we're gonna get resistance from this point, okay? And that's absolutely fine, guys. We need to set higher lows, we need to build structure, if we're gonna be seeing us coming up to these really strong price points in the future, okay? In terms of strong price points, in terms of areas where we could be going in the next bull run, let's have a little look. You can see all-time highs for this asset at around $29, guys. At around $29. For most altcoins right now, they're not really as as woke, if you will, as this coin. It's waking up really, really strong. It's finding support. It's breaking lower highs. It's setting higher lows. It's changed market direction here. It's looking really, really, really strong here. So I would be very, very bullish on this asset. And what I would say is, if we are going to continue here, because obviously this coin is waking up compared to others, it's likely to come up to all-time highs in the next bull run, okay? And when I mean all-time highs, I mean all the way up to $29 a coin, okay? And that's going to be worth around 544%. It's going to take a long time to get there, guys. I'm talking literally maybe back in 2025 or 2026. If we go parabolic around this area, then yeah, we're going to see prices actually get hit. But from the macro standpoint, it's going to be looking pretty goddamn bullish to get a 5x here, okay? 544% is around near a 5.4x on your investment if you were to buy now. In terms of buying areas for this asset, I would be looking for a pullback, guys. We'll be looking for a nice strong pullback to around $3.63 and then basically riding that train up from there. So in all fairness, guys, I do think this coin has got a lot of potential. As I said, currently priced at $4.51, but looking really, really bullish for the long run. And in comparison to other coins right now, it is really waking up and showing that it is going to be standing on its own. It's a decentralized base coin, guys. So again, these are in the favorite for the crypto narrative in terms of DeFi right now. You can build DeFi apps on their network and stuff like that. So really, really, really cool stuff from a fundamental standpoint. But from a TA standpoint, guys, really, really strong, looking really, really bullish. But that's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. Again, if you want to learn a new trading strategy, link is in the description, guys. Completely free webinar for you guys to join there as well. And it will make you thousands of dollars per week if you follow the strategies. Completely free. Really, really good stuff. But yeah, that's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. But for now, it's going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.